Hello, SDO Mati City teachers and school heads. This is the step-by-step video guide for conducting our division-wide unified examinations using the automatedexam.com app. Okay, let's start with phase 1 account registration and sign in. Open your web browser such as Google Chrome and go to automatedexam.com. Click the button that says continue with Google and sign in using your working Google account. This can be your official DepEd email or your personal Gmail. If you are a first time user and your account is not yet activated under your school, simply fill out the official division Google form. The link was sent through the PSDSS and school heads. Make sure to select your correct school name and school ID. Once activated, our division admin will log you in. Phase 2, installing the app for offline access. One of the best features of automatedexam.com is that it works offline, meaning it can function completely without internet once installed. For both teachers and learners on laptops, tablets, or smartphones, navigate to automatedexam.com, click on Learner Portal, and look for Install App icon in your browser address bar. On mobile devices, tap your browser share or options menu and select Add to home screen and install the app. For iPhone users, open automatedexam.com on Safari browser, tap the three dots below, tap Share, tap View More, tap Add to home screen, then tap Add. An icon named AutoExam will appear on your device home screen for quick one-tap offline access on test day. Phase 3, uploading your learner roster using School Form 1. To ensure all test scores automatically link to your student's official 12-digit LRNs, we need to upload your class roster. From the left sidebar, click on the learner roster. Next, click Upload Roster SF1 and select your official DepEd SF1 Excel file downloaded directly from LIS. The system reads the file and extracts the 12-digit LRNs, student names, grade, section, and gender automatically. Review and click Save Roster. All SF1 uploaded by any teacher are already visible to your co-teachers, so there's no need for them to upload a duplicate SF1. If you don't have the SF1, you can download the template in the app or manually encode each learner using the Add Learner button. If you made a mistake, you can edit each learner record or delete them. That's it. Your class is now ready for testing. Now, phase 4, viewing and downloading division-wide exams. From the sidebar, click on School Console. Under hosted division-wide assessments, you will see the scheduled folders. For example, we scheduled pre-tests for term 2. You can try to conduct them to familiarize the app. Locate your assigned grade level and subject. Click the Save button next to your exam. This instantly downloads and caches the entire exam onto your device so you can run it even if your school loses internet connection. To start conducting the exam, click the Conduct button. Now let's explore Phase 5, choosing your exam mode. You have three flexible options. Mode A. It is for online exam mode, ideal for computer laboratories or classrooms with steady Wi-Fi or mobile data. Simply click Display Join QR on your scheduled exam and select the Online Link tab. Project the QR code on your screen or copy the join link. Students scan the QR code using their device camera, type their 12-digit LRN, and answer the exam. When they hit submit, their scores are instantly recorded in the Division Cloud database in real time. Mode B is our offline digital mode designed for classrooms where students have gadgets but there is no internet. Click Display Join QR and select the Offline Package tab. Your screen will display a rotating peer-to-peer QR package. Students open their installed AutoExam app offline, tap Scan Teacher's QR, and point their camera at your screen to load the entire exam. Students answer offline. When finished, their screen shows an encrypted completion QR code. The teacher taps Scan Student QR codes and scans the student's phone in seconds. All scores save locally and sync automatically once you get back online. Please note, Mode B is not applicable for exams with images, as image files are too heavy for QR codes. For those, please use Mode A or Mode C. Now, Mode C is the most popular solution, project to TV or paper mode requiring zero student gadgets. Step 1, While still in the Conduct portal, click Download Answer Sheet to print our standardized bubble sheets. Step 2, connect your laptop to your classroom smart TV or projector and click Project to TV. You can adjust the font size and go full screen. Just use the arrow keys and scroll bar to navigate all the items. Step 3, the learners answer on paper by shading their 12-digit LRN and answer bubbles with pencil or black pen. Once finished, you sign in to your mobile app with the same account you use in projecting the items on TV. Go to the school console, select your projected exam by tapping Conduct and scan answer sheet. Position the answer sheet so that it's entirely on the phone screen. If you have a good scan, meaning the student LRN matches the record and the answers bubbles are correctly read, just hit confirm and save scan. If you have a bad scan, you can tap rescan sheet to repeat the process or just manually select the learner from the drop-down list. You can also correct the invalid or blank answers resulting from bad scan. For better results, make sure you have good lighting and proper camera angle. Final phase, phase 6, viewing results and analytics. While still on the school console portal, just scroll down and you will see the least learned competencies and the learner scores. If you want to view the full reports, go back to the top and click View Full Report. You will see more data such as score distribution, the school performance MPS, scatter plot, and item analysis. You can download this by clicking Export Excel Report. And that's it. Thank you so much for listening. God bless everyone.